Here I have VIVO Y17 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section. So firstly you go to, not this one. So let's go to more settings, then to accessibility, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial starts. So it says that you have to switch the navigation keys. So here you have like this Talkback tutorial if you don't know how to use it, but I'm gonna just tell you quickly that this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you tap on this banner here.
Blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
So as you can hear, that's how this mode works.
_dismissed_message.
So for example, if you want to go back,
_accessibility_message. Back button. Double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Okay, so like as you could also hear, to activate this button you have to double tap, but it doesn't mention that it means like anywhere on the screen. So you just tap like double tap and this action gets confirmed. So if you want to disable Talkback, you tap on this switcher, double tap, and that's how you can do it.
Alert stop Talkback.
Yeah, okay. Double tap, and that's how you can do it. So, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.